How to reset KuCoin password. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to log into your KuCoin account and you've forgotten your password while logging in, then here's how you can easily reset your password. First of all, launch open the KuCoin application on your device, and once you're inside the main home page of KuCoin, go ahead and click on a human icon at the top left corner from the home screen. Now from the next page, select the login button. In the login area, you'll be asked to enter your email or phone number. Simply type it down and tap next. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your password. Let's say you've forgotten your password. In that case, just tap on the forgot password link and click on confirm, or check your email or phone number in the text box if it is correct and click confirm. Now you'll be asked to confirm that you want to reset your password. If you continue to reset your password, then withdrawals and other outflows will be disabled for 24 hours. So make sure that you are sure you'd like to reset it. Click confirm in order to assure that. And then on the next page, you'll need to type in the new password you want to change to. After typing it down, go to the next field and retype in your password once again. Finally, click on confirm and you have successfully reset or changed your password. Next time while logging in, make sure that you type in the correct password that you just changed to get access to your account. So there you have successfully reset your forgotten password for KuCoin and got access back to your account again. So that is how you can easily solve the issue whenever you've forgotten your password for KuCoin. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.